Welcome to the case study series in Business and AMP, Government Relations by Skilled MBA. Vinalhave's downtown project addresses infrastructure challenges crucial for the island's future survival. Its remote location necessitates strategic planning to enhance resilience. Key initiatives include upgrading transportation links and modernizing utilities. These efforts aim to support the local economy, particularly lobster fishing and tourism, while ensuring sustainable growth and long-term community well-being. Vinalhave, located 12 miles off Manus coast, thrives on a delicate balance of isolation and community strength. With a dynamic population of 1,300 year-round residents, the island sees a surge in visitors during summer. Its economy relies heavily on lobster fishing and tourism, forming the backbone of its existence. Vinalhave's downtown infrastructure is aging rapidly, with critical systems requiring urgent upgrades. Outdated water and drainage systems frequently fail, unable to meet current demands. Additionally, poorly designed sidewalks hinder pedestrian access, complicating navigation for both residents and visitors. Addressing these issues is essential for maintaining the island's economic and social vitality. Sea level rise is an immediate threat to Vinalhave's commercial core, with increased flooding frequency and severity disrupting downtown businesses. The island's topography exacerbates vulnerability as water naturally seeks the path of least resistance, impacting critical areas. Addressing these challenges is crucial for sustaining economic stability and community resilience. The proposed solution involves a comprehensive infrastructure overhaul, modernizing water, drainage, and utility systems in the downtown district. Flood resistance measures include flood barriers, enhanced drainage, and water-resistant building modifications. Future-proofing designs will accommodate projected sea level changes over the next 50 years, ensuring long-term resilience. The financial plan for this project involves strategic allocation across water systems, flood protection, sidewalks, roads, and building retrofits. Each component requires careful budgeting to ensure immediate needs are met while enhancing long-term resilience. This multi-million-dollar investment is crucial for the community's sustainable future, balancing current demands with future-proofing strategies. The key dilemma is determining the appropriate sea level rise to plan for by 2050. A conservative estimate of 30 centimeters offers lower costs but may be insufficient. A middle projection of 60 centimeters provides a balanced approach with moderate investment. The worst-case scenario, planning for a 100 centimeters plus rise, ensures maximum protection but at the highest cost. Adaptation costs involve significant upfront investments in infrastructure to mitigate sea level rise, potentially saving long-term expenses. Inaction, however, could lead to catastrophic economic losses from flooding, property damage, and displacement. Balancing these costs is crucial for effective planning and ensuring community resilience against future climate impacts. Assessing long-term sustainability involves evaluating economic viability, such as whether fishing and tourism can support infrastructure investments. Exploring alternative income sources is crucial. Population trends are vital. Project success hinges on stable resident numbers. Physical limits question when retreat is more logical than defense, as some areas may become unprotectable. Adaptation capacity requires flexible systems for future adjustments, considering evolving technology and approaches. Effective stakeholder management is crucial for Vinalhave's future. Year-round and seasonal residents, local businesses, the fishing industry, historic preservationists, environmental groups, and government agencies all have distinct interests. Balancing these perspectives ensures sustainable development and community support, addressing infrastructure needs while respecting environmental and cultural values. Establish a clear vision for Vinalhave's downtown, identifying future goals. Assess current vulnerabilities and infrastructure needs. Forecast climate impacts, population trends, and economic factors. Evaluate options based on cost, effectiveness, and adaptability. Engage the community in a transparent decision-making process to build consensus and support. Explore infrastructure planning by applying risk-based decision frameworks to address uncertainty. Focus on sustainability to ensure long-term viability for small, vulnerable communities facing environmental challenges. Facilitate community-driven urban planning by balancing competing stakeholder interests, ensuring that development aligns with both current needs and future resilience. Vinalhave residents face critical decisions impacting their homes and businesses. Strategic planning must weigh immediate costs against future risks. Consider risk-based frameworks to ensure sustainable solutions. How can we balance short-term expenses with long-term resilience? These choices will shape the community's future, determining whether it thrives or declines. Engage the community and consult experts to define the project scope. Implement a phased construction approach to minimize disruption. Continuously assess and adjust to ensure effectiveness. Aim for a resilient Vinalhave, equipped to thrive amidst future changes. Skilled MBA leverages real-world challenges to create strategic learning experiences. Our platform offers diverse educational resources, transforming current dilemmas into future solutions. Explore our offerings to enhance your skills and knowledge. For more information, visit our website at https://skilldemba.com or contact us directly at support@skilldemba.com +91 8755300795. Thank you for choosing Skilled MBA as your partner in practical business education. We are here to support your journey towards strategic thinking and real-world impact.